So last year, I had a conversation with one of my friends, and he told me he had the condition of sleep paralysis. And I knew about sleep paralysis on a very surface level. I knew the fact that people had hallucinations and they saw stuff and they froze in their sleep, which is pretty scary on even the surface level. But when he told me one of his experiences, I was genuinely frightened for him because it's just so I researched about it a little, maybe a lot, and I thought about it so much that I wrote a poem about it, about sleep paralysis. And it is also loosely based upon the dust storm that took place in May 2024 in Mumbai. Nevertheless, the name of this poem is Hallucinations. You need to kill the sleep if you want to kill those demons. Only then you'd know they were just beautiful illusions. All of mine just look like they're here to entertain me, then these nights turn into days just for my mere needs. Little did you know your brain is the biggest traitor there that exists. So you try to make friends with it just for it to later show you hallucinations, unwanted drugs, hallucinations, how they mess you up. The dust storm and its style to sway uproot the trees, wash the people away. Lights out, candle lit, alone in the house with me and my demons, we had some serious talks. They sat at the end of my bed and grinned at me with a pistol in their hand. I froze with fright but realized it's just my drunken brain and its phantom lies. So I did what I did. I cackled like a kid, snatched the pistol away, and shot them dead. And in my head, I buried them in a marsh. Little did you know your brain is the biggest traitor that exists, so you try to be on good terms with it just for it to throw at you some hallucinations, unwanted drugs, hallucinations, how they mess you up. I don't need reality, give me hallucinations. I've found my escape, it's in those false delusions. Tell me I'm the empress, show me my kingdom better than the real world. I live in hallucinations. I don't trust these humans with real flesh, bones, and blood. I just want those people equivalent to fiction. Tell me I'm the greatest one. Tell me I own this world better than the real place. I love hallucinations. Little did you know your sleep is the only thing you should be scared of. You never know when it freezes you and shows you walking monsters. Little did you know your home is the place they haunt you at the most. So all you do is sit in the corner, blow out the candles in the dust storm. Hallucinations, inevitable drugs. Hallucinations, they are coming to mess you up. This is one of the poems that I wrote in my anthology that I published. It's called Cacophony. Please do check it out. You can get your own copies on Amazon, Flipkart, and Pothi.com.